Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Talking Books. In this video, we are going to solve the NCERT problems based on the topic mass percent. We will understand the formulas and we will solve in text as well as exercise questions. Now let's talk about the mass percent. What exactly it is? First of all, we can say it is also known as weight percent and is a way of expressing the concentration of components of a mixture or solution. Now, what is solution? We can say solution is made up from two components. One is solute and another one is solvent. Solute is the substance that is dissolving in solvent in order to form solution, and solvent is the substance which dissolves this solute. Solute is present in lesser amount while solvent is present in greater amount. Now let's see the formula. The formula says mass percent is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. I hope it is clear up to this point. Now let's solve the NCERT problems. Here is the in-text question. It says a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance A to 18 gram of water. We are asked to calculate the mass percent of solute. First of all, we can say that solute here is A and it has mass 2 grams, and solvent is water here, that is H2, it has mass 18 grams. Then using the formulas we can say that the mass percent is equal to mass of substance A, that is solute, we can write 2 grams here, divided by mass of solution. Then what will be the solution's mass here? It will be 2 grams plus 18 grams. Now we will multiply this by 100. We can simplify it further and we can write here as 2 grams divided by 20 grams into 100. Here we can cancel out this common gram unit, and on solving this we can write the mass percent of solute A equals to 10%. I hope you understood this question. Now coming to the exercise question, here we are asked to calculate the mass percent of different elements that are present in sodium sulfate. We are given with the formula as Na2SO4. We have 2 sodium atoms, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atoms. Here we can say we don't have any solute and solvent, but we have to calculate the mass percent of each element present in sodium sulfate. So here we can say the mass percent will be equal to mass of element divided by total mass of compound into 100. Here we need to find out the total mass of the compound, that will be equal to its molar mass. Let's find out the molar mass as well as mass of each element. We have 2 sodium atoms, so in order to find out the molar mass we need to sum up the atomic masses of each element. So we need to multiply 2 with the atomic mass of sodium, that is approximately 23 U. U represents the unified mass. Instead of U we can also use gram per mole. We have 1 sulfur atom, we will multiply 1 with the atomic mass of sulfur, that is 32 U. We have 4 oxygen atom and atomic mass of oxygen is approximately 16 U. Now we need to solve and sum up this. Here we can write the value as 46 U, here it is 32 U, and here it is 64 U. On adding this up, we are getting the total mass of compound, that will be equal to 142 U, or I can say 142 grams that are present in 1 mole of Na2SO4. Now, let us substitute the values to calculate mass of each element present in sodium sulfate. First of all, we can say mass percent of sodium. It will be equal to 46 grams or 46 U divided by 142 grams into 100. From here, we can eliminate this gram unit, and on solving this, we are getting the mass percent of sodium equals to 32.5%. In similar way, we can substitute the values sulfur and oxygen in this manner. On solving, we are getting the mass percent of sulfur equals to 22.5% and mass percent of oxygen will be equal to 45%. These are the answers. I hope you understood the solutions well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.